Hey guys, my name is Mario Rago with Rago Fabrication. Today we're going to be installing lower shock guards for the 5th-gen 4Runner. Let's get started. So to begin this install, we're simply going to get a 17mm and undo the shock bolt. And if you're having trouble undoing the shock bolt, like I am, because I have a small ratchet, you can just get the open end wrench and start prying on it. Give you some leverage there. And we're not going to take off the shock at all. It's not necessary. We just need to take off this bolt, and we're going to leave this washer on there. So now you're going to take your shock guard and you want to slide it over the area. You don't want to jam it in straight from the beginning. Slide it over the area, and then what you want to do is just get the bolt close to the hole. You're just going to simply want to push the shock guard to the side so you can start the threads. So once this is thread started, we're just going to put this bolt in here. And then you can feel free and go ahead and tighten up this bolt. So we're going to go ahead and tighten up this back bolt. It's a 19mm or 3/4 inch. So now that you tighten up this bolt and the front shock bolts, you're all done. Do the same thing on the other side and just repeat the process, and the installation is complete. So now that you saw the install, you know it's fairly easy. Why do you need lower shock guards? Well, for multiple reasons. If you have a very expensive aftermarket shock, you really need to protect that lower part of it, as well as the shock shaft. That's why ours have a plate out in front to protect that shock shaft. Because when those small rocks hit that shock shaft, even though it's very hard material, it creates pits. And over time, that shock seal goes up and down, and then it rips the shock seal and the shock starts leaking. It happens to all the shocks, especially in off-road. The other benefit of a fully boxed shock protector, it will also protect the bracket that is attached to the car. And I always see when a customer goes up, there's always like the inside where it sticks out the most is always the most damaged. That's why we put it at a pitch and an angle so it can roll over those rocks the best we can while still providing shock protection. So to purchase these, just go to ragofabrication.com. Also, go ahead and follow us on Instagram at Rago Fabrication. And go ahead and follow us at Rago Fabrication on Facebook. And join our Rago Cool Kids group on Facebook. They're always talking about in the know. We talk directly to them. I just want to note that everything we do is made in America. So go ahead and look through our website, and if you have any questions, feel free to email us or give us a call. I'll see you next time.